Hello, current clients, past clients, and future clients. I'm Rebecca Lindquist, the speech and accent coach in the Silicon Valley, and today I have a special treat for you. So as you know in these videos, I like to share insights with you around speech and voice, and even around executive presence. And an integral part of executive presence and how we show up when we speak to others is our posture. Posture and voice are inextricably linked. So today we have a guest who is the founder of the Vitality Center in San Mateo and also the father of reposturing. Please join me in welcoming to our conversation Aaron Parnell. So some of my clients can't move their facial muscles as much as they would like. That is the muscles under the nose and the muscles around the mouth. And I know that you do something called facial reposturing, and you also train people to do it. So what can you tell us about facial reposturing and how it can help people to use all of the muscles in their face more effectively?
You have to think like you have several sets of muscles in your face and jaw. One set of muscles does the job of chewing and talking. It's opening and closing while you're communicating. Another set of muscles, we call them mimetic muscles because they show facial expression. And some of the muscles around the mouth have both jobs. They can both they're part of your facial expression, but they're also part of the chewing and swallowing part. So you have to think like the muscles that you want to have control over all of the muscles all the time. We have some muscles that go up from the corner of the mouth. We have some that go down, some that go out to the side. And we want to have an exercise that will do all those jobs. Out to the side, up to the side, up to the other side. But what winds up happening for a lot of people is we hold so much tension that they don't move.
So true.
So the solution is restoring the flexibility to the mimetic muscles around the mouth and around the cheeks. And what that does for the person is it gives them a lot more facial flexibility and facial ability to express, emote, and communicate more effectively and be able to be heard and understood because your facial expressions are compatible with your message.
And how do you do that with reposturing? How does it achieve
With
that?
reposturing, we have a thing that we do where we put a mouth prop inside the person's jaw to open the muscles that you chew with because they can actually hold a lot of tension. And then we work inside the mouth to work on the mimetic muscles, the ones that go from here to there and the one that goes up and down. So I'll actually put my thumb inside the person's mouth and help to relax. Sometimes we use two fingers. We expand the circle around the mouth. We have muscles that go straight across like this, left and right, and some that go around. If you think of the muscles around the mouth kind of like spokes on a bicycle or a car tire, you have muscles that go in all these different directions, and you want to have control over all of them. If they're holding tension patterns, then you wind up being able to communicate only a little bit because the mouth is so tight.
Yes.
And you don't want to look angry or intense all the time.
True.
Sometimes you just might want to relax a little bit.
That's
So
right.
with facial reposturing, we stretch them out to restore the flexibility to the muscles around the mouth. So people are a lot more relaxed. They have a lot more freedom and a lot more control over the muscles that form words and sounds with your mouth.
That makes so much sense, and I think people could really benefit from that if they want to be able to move their mouth to make sounds, especially in American English.
Yeah.